So let's talk about evaluating limits graphically. So we have this graph here that has this random curve, and we have these two limits defined down here. Now I want you to notice something. Both these limits are approaching 3. So what we're going to do is look for positive 3 on our x-axis, and that's the point we're going to be focusing on. Now, I want you to look at this limit right here. Look at this little minus sign above the 3. What that means is whenever you see this little sign on a limit written like this, that means that you want to approach 3 on your curve from the left side. So if we start from the left side and we approach 3, notice that we end up right about here. And where we end up with 3, notice that our output here is equal to 2. So when x equals 3, as we approach it from the left side, we get an output of 2. So that's going to be the answer for this limit right here. Now notice with this other limit, we have a plus sign. And as you could probably guess, this means we just approach it from the right side. If we approach 3 from the right side, notice we also end up at 2. And notice here, our two limits agree. And since if we approach it from both sides, we get 2 for our output both times. So what that means is our limit as x approaches 3 is 2. And that is the answer for the limit of our function as x approaches 3.